Hey, happy 4th of July. Today we're going to do a lesson on words that have to do with the 4th of July. Why the 4th of July? Because it's coming up. And here in the US, it's a really big deal. Come on. The 4th of July is also known as Independence Day. So you could say, hey, happy Independence Day, or hey, happy 4th of July. Either one works. Why is it Independence Day? Because it is on July 4th, 1776, that the founding fathers declared their independence from Great Britain. Here we have Uncle Sam. Uncle Sam, everybody's favorite uncle? Not necessarily. You will hear people complain about Uncle Sam. Uncle Sam takes too much of my money. Uncle Sam wants me to do this. Uncle Sam wants me to do that. But today, on the 4th of July, you will see many people dressed up as Uncle Sam. It's the personification of the United States government. Uncle Sam will be out and about on the 4th of July. Next up, we have fireworks. These are fireworks, the explosions in the sky where we ooh and we ah, and we listen to the sights and sounds of the fireworks. But fireworks are also an idiomatic expression. What? Yeah, when someone says, ooh, you better come to the meeting, there are going to be fireworks. There are going to be fireworks. How do you shoot off fireworks in a meeting? You don't. It's when things get a little exciting and a little wild. You can say, whew, that meeting was full of fireworks. Fireworks, an idiomatic expression and a beautiful thing to enjoy on the 4th of July. Next up, we have firecracker. Firecracker, yeah, little explosives that you hold in your hand and then are not too long because you should throw them. A firecracker. That's a firecracker. You light the fuse and pow, it just makes noise. No big dramatic visuals like fireworks. But it also has idiomatic expression. Somebody could be a firecracker. Be a firecracker? How are you going to be that? A firecracker is a name given to somebody who has a lot of energy. Like, whoo, have you seen Bill? He's quite the firecracker when he goes to these meetings. He livens things up. He has a lot of energy. Firecracker, it's a noun and it's an idiomatic expression. Firecracker. Firecrackers make a lot of bangs. Bang is a great onomatopoeia. Bang. But if you do something with a bang, say, we're going to start this meeting with a bang. We're going to celebrate the holiday with a bang, with excitement and a lot of activity, with a bang. You could start with a bang, or you could go out with a bang. Go out in a great, exciting way. You could start something off with a bang, or you could end it with a bang. Either way, with a bang is a great idiomatic expression that we could tie to the 4th of July. How about have a blast? Have a blast? That sounds painful, sounds dangerous. No, it doesn't have to be. When we have a blast, that's a way of saying we're having an exciting time. We had a great time. We really enjoyed ourselves. For example, whew, I had a blast at Bill's 4th of July picnic. It was so much fun. Have a blast. When was the last time you had a blast? Okay, we're going to get off explosives. If something is as American as apple pie, it means it's wholesome, it's whimsical, it's totally American. It's like an American tradition. So, eating hot dogs is as American as apple pie. What? Yeah, eating hot dogs is as American as apple pie. It's something Americans do by tradition. It is a tradition we do. It's as American as apple pie. What do you do that can be as American as apple pie? Do you celebrate the 4th? Do you watch the fireworks? Those are all things that are as American as apple pie. Hey, what are the colors of the 4th of July? Red, white, and blue. So let's go paint the town red. Paint the town red? What if you don't have any red? That's okay. You're not really painting anything. No, my friends. To paint the town red means to go out and have a great time. Enjoy yourself. Have a great time. Paint the town red. Do you like to go paint the town red? Why is it red and not blue or white? I don't know, but sometimes I do like to go paint the town red. After we paint the town red, maybe we want to fire up the grill. fire up the grill. What? Yeah, to fire up the grill means to get the grill going so we can start barbecuing, start grilling. Fire up the grill. We're not really putting a fire up anything. We are just lighting the grill so it can cook our food. But you'll hear this a lot. Hey, let's go fire up the grill. Got it? Do you like to fire up the grill, or are you one who likes to watch the grill? Well, the cooking is done, the firecrackers are exploding, and everything is in full swing. In full swing? What does that mean? Are we swinging? No, no. It just means that everything's going. The whole party's happening. Everything's going at the same time. It's in full swing. No more planning, no more prep. It's happening. The party is in full swing. Why do we say in full swing when we're really not even on a swing? I don't know, but that's the saying. Why does American English have so many ways to talk about Independence Day or the 4th of July? I mean, right there's two things: 4th of July, Independence Day. You could also say America's birthday. Why do we have so many ways to say the 4th of July and different words that are fun to use for the 4th of July, but can also be used in our regular everyday life? I don't know, but now you hopefully will have an amazing 4th of July. Enjoy the holiday, friends. Peace.